Hello everyone, welcome to RPA Learners, and in this video we're going to see how to use set table row and set table column keywords in Robocorp. The set table row has three different arguments. One is the table, which table to modify, and the second one is the row, which row to modify, because we are going to write values in a row, and what are the values that you're going to write is the third argument. And the keyword, other keyword, which is set table column, which is table, which table to modify again, on the which column to modify or which column to add if you want to add a new column, and what are the values that you need to write in that column. Let's go ahead and see the implementation of these two keywords in Visual Studio. So this is our input that we are going to use for this video. We're going to read this and we are going to add a row and add a column to this particular table again. So let me close this. Don't save it. And this is our previous video where we renamed the columns. We are using the tables, rpa.tables, and this is the list of new names, new column names. Let me, instead of none, let me give a name here. It is technology 1. Let's say these are the new rows that we're going to insert in the input that we already seen now. So what is the keyword that we're going to use? We're going to use set table row keyword, and it has three different arguments. The first argument is giving the table as an input, which is dt, and what is the row? Let's say we're going to write it at 12. And what are the values? What are the values? Values are the column name, columns, right? So this is our set table row, and let's use columns as well, so that we will see the output at a single time. And what is the columns? We need to use set table column keyword, and it also has three different arguments. One is dt, which is our table, and second is the column. Column is nothing but if you are adding a new column, you need to mention the new column name. Let's say it has status. And on the values here, you wanted to you need to know that, let's say if you have 10 rows, you need to provide 10 values in a list, or 10 different values, in order to make this keyword work. If you have 10 rows and you given 9 rows of data, or the 9 rows of data to that particular column which has 10 rows, then it's gonna throw you an error, right? So for this we are passing only single value. So what it will do, it will keep this particular value to the whole column. Let's see how it works. To see the output, let's write this to a table. Let's write this table to a CSV file, which is dt, and you need to provide the path where we say dt.csv. Let's save this and let's execute this. So what we are doing, we are adding a new row which has, in the 12th row, which has these list of values, name 1, technology 1, and number 1. After that, what we are doing, we are adding a new column called status, and we are pass as the value to the entire column. And let's say, I think it will replace it. Okay, it is replaced. So dt.csv, let's open this. This is our input. We forgot to mention dt2. Okay, so it overwritten here. So this is the 12th row, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 12, right? So that is 14 here. It returned these values in the 12th row, index that we given here as 12. And if you see here, the status column, it returned all the values as a single value, because we passed only single value to write in the status column, which is pass. And it also returned it in the where the values does not have as well, it will write the column because it has the value still here. So this is how you use set table row and the set table column keywords in Robocorp. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.